My name is Yemi. The course before us today is how to use Microsoft Word. In Unit 1, we will be discussing Introduction to Microsoft Word, the reasons for using Microsoft Word. Microsoft Office Suite. In Microsoft Office Suite, we have different applications, and Microsoft Word is one of these applications that can be found in Microsoft Office Suite. It is very popular and it is commonly used by people either at home, in offices, in schools. There are also different versions of Microsoft Word. It depends on the purposes on which we want to use them. It can be for personal purpose, for business reasons, and for commercial use. How do we get Microsoft Office? We can get Microsoft Office from the internet. We can download it and install it on our laptops, Android phones, smartphones, also on desktop computers or personal computers. How do we identify Microsoft Word as a user? Microsoft Word identity. We can identify Microsoft Word by the way it looks like, which is called the logo or the icon. It has a W to represent Word. Microsoft Word can also be used in an environment. How do we know? Microsoft Word displays a piece of blank paper for the users to use, and this piece of blank paper is referred to as a template. Different versions of Microsoft Word are available for use and they perform similar operations. Examples of them are Word 98, Word 2006, Word 365. Of course, there are different benefits of Microsoft Word. That is the reason why we want to learn them. Okay? In Microsoft Word, documents can be typed. And while typing the document, it can also count the number of words of our letters. And we can also save in Microsoft Word and print out our document as many times as the user wants. Documents can also be edited, that is corrected, in Microsoft Word. After saving your document, you can come back, you open it, and you correct it, you edit it, and save it again. We also have different templates that are available in Microsoft Word. Documents can also be customized the way we like it in Microsoft Word. We can also add pictures and graphics in Microsoft Word. We can also share our documents with people electronically through emails. We can send emails or through fax. Area of applications. Microsoft Word is used for language translations. If we decide to convert our work from document from English to French, Microsoft Word can do that to us. For us, it can also convert our work from Chinese to English, depending on what we want. Microsoft Word can also be used at home for typing letters, resume, cover letters, and sending emails. We can also use it to design cards. Microsoft Word is also used for commercial purposes, such as business letters. We can use it to design flyers and posters, birthday cards and party cards, holiday cards, and so on. Microsoft Word can also be used in offices and in schools for typing memorandum, letterheads, and making labels. So therefore, it really makes Microsoft Word to be very useful, and it is popularly and widely accepted, and it's reliable. Thank you. Cheers.